And thank you for using Delta, guys. We have this message. Click on home button and look at this, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit for script. And as you can see, guys, script is... What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called wixen.com, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our username. So let me paste my here, I already copied. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. User found, just click connect and import the new latest Delta Executor. Select script that you want to add to your account. Click connect and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. Wixen.com is the best working method for this. Okay, AP, just scroll down and verify to complete. Okay. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. You have this time. So just click here on this arrow and click proceed and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have the description what you have to do. So guys, I will now travel down and scan our app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status completed and success redirecting almost done. So just wait for this redirecting and let's see the next step. And now guys, as you can see, we have this message, injection successful. So let me open the Delta Roblox and let's see, does it actually work? Okay, so let me play this Grow Garden and this is my favorite game, so let me test. I'm now in the game, guys, and look at this, we have this panel and thank you for using Delta, guys. We have this message. Click on home button and look at this, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit for script. And as you can see, guys, script is ready to use. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.